For nearly 3 hours Tuesday morning, a private investigator hired by the defense read aloud to the jury, read excerpts from court documents he was tapped to collect, filings from a series of district, circuit, and appeals court cases spanning 3 counties, some 10 years, and hundreds of pages, the bulk of them written by the convicted Capital Gazette mass shooter, Jared Ramos, who says he is not criminally responsible for killing 5 people in the 2018 deadly mass shooting because he is insane. To support that argument, his attorneys today had their PI read highlighted passages from legal briefs authored by Ramos, including "Truth is my deity" and "Thou shalt not lie." He writes about seeking, quote, "safety from the blob" and "a blob of facts." The defense also highlighted passages lining up with its claim of persecutorial delusions. Ramos writing, quote, "I have multiple audio recordings of attorneys from your office colluding against me in conniving whispers. Caught saying that he, quote, probably has not had a date since high school. Can't understand why." And then laughter. But to the state, the same stack of documents shows Jared Ramos is not only sane, but arguing as much on his own behalf. He takes issue with being called insane and rambling, and he points out he's a model employee, writing, quote, "His 7 years thus far at the Bureau of Labor Statistics shows he has a documented reputation for integrity and professionalism." The witness also agreed with the assertion by the state's attorney that in the briefs, although Ramos certainly took some flourish in his language, no judge or court threw them out for improper procedure. They were not rejected for failing to make sense, and in fact, they made their way through the courts. Actually made their way to appeals courts, and the documents and transcript shows Ramos participated in oral arguments at the appeals court and engaged in exchanges about legal terminology with the judge. That does stand in contrast to testimony we heard late today from Dr. Yeager, who testified about diagnosing the defendant with autism and told the jury about how he was talking to himself and about how he had an inability to read social cues. The trial continues tomorrow at 9 a.m. Reporting live from Annapolis tonight, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.